Now let's talk about solution of linear equation. The solution of a linear equation means you are trying to find the value of the variable for which left hand side of the equation is equal to right hand side. Now let's recall our earlier statement. Sum of the twice of a number with 10 is equal to 5 times of the number plus 6. That means there is a number for which twice of the number plus 10 equal to 5 times of the number plus 6. So we have to find out that number. That means we will try to find the solution of this equation. So twice x plus 10 equal to 5x plus 6. We will try to shift the variable to the left hand side, 2x minus 5x. Then we will shift the constants to the right hand side, 6 minus 10. We are shifting 10 to the right hand side. 2x minus 5x. You are subtracting 2x minus 5x. Means when you are subtracting 2 from 5, we find minus 3. Minus 3x equal to 6 minus 10. We find it minus 4. So what is x here? X here is minus 4 divided by minus 3. This means 4 by 3. Now this is the number. So let's check whether this number is true or false. Now let's find out twice x plus 10. So twice x means 2 multiplied by 4 into 3, 4 by 3 plus 10. This means 8 by 3 plus 10. This means 3, 8 plus 30, 38 by 3. Now try to find right hand side, 5x plus 6. 5 into x means 4 by 3 plus 6. 5 was a 20 by 3 plus 6. 20 plus 18. That means 38 by 3. So we arrived the conclusion that the solution of the equation satisfies the left hand side equal to right hand side, this condition. The value of the variable for which left hand side and right hand side are same, we call it the solution of the equation. Now while solving linear equation in one variable, we will have to think about a few properties of equation. Let's discuss these properties. Say for example, there is equation 8x equal to 80. Now when we divide the both sides of the equation by the same number, the solution will not alter. Say for example, 8x equal to 80, x equal to 80 divided by 8. 8 10 is 80. Answer is 10. Now instead of doing this, let's divide both sides of the equation by the same number. 8x equal to 80. Now let's divide both sides by 8. 8x divided by 8 equal to 80 divided by 8. Now 8 cancel each other. X equal to 80 by 10. 80 by 8 equal to 10. That means dividing both sides of the equation will not alter the solution of the equation. This is one property. Dividing both sides of the equation by the same number will not alter the solution of the equation. Another property, multiplying both sides of the equation will not alter the solution of the equation. Say for example, there is an equation x by 3 equal to 3 by 4. Now we will try to multiply both sides by the same number, right? So what will we do? you multiply both sides by the same number, 3 equal to 3 by 4 into 3. Now this 3 and this 3 cancel each other, x equal to 9 by 4. This is the answer. Now instead of multiplying both sides, we will try to solve this equation. X by 3 equal to 3 by 4. Now how will you eliminate this 3 from the left hand side? You eliminate this 3 from the left hand side. Let's do cross multiplication. 4x equal to 3 3s are 9, x equal to 9 by 4. 4x equal to 3 3s are 9, x equal to 9 by 4. So multiplying both sides of the equation by the same number, we find the solution as 9 by 4. Instead of multiplying, we try to solve it out other way. We find that x equal to 9 by 4. That means multiplying both sides of the equation will not alter the solution of the equation. Next property we will discuss here is transposing a term of the equation from left hand side to right hand side, or from right hand side to left hand side will not alter the solution of the equation. Let's take an example. 2x plus 3 equal to x minus 5. Now try to solve this equation. Twice x minus x equal to minus 5 minus 3. We are shifting the constant terms to the right hand side. Now twice x minus x equal to x, and minus 5 minus 3, this is minus 8. This is the solution of the equation. We are transposing the variable part from the right hand side to the left hand side, and constant part, that means the number 3 is shifted to right hand side. Now we separate the variable part and constant part. We find the solution of the equation like this. That means we are shifting terms from left hand side to right hand side and right hand side to left hand side. Now instead of doing this, let's try it out other way. 2x plus 3 equal to x minus 5. Now we will try to replace this 3 from the left hand side and x from the right hand side. So how do we do it? 2x plus 3, we will subtract 3 from the left hand side, then we will subtract the same number from the right hand side. Again from the left hand side, from the right hand side we want to eliminate x, because we are trying to find the solution of this equation. So we will try to eliminate x from the right hand side. So subtract x from the right hand side. Same thing we will do here also. Now let's solve this equation. This implies, means twice x plus 3 minus x. 2x minus x, 3 minus 3 is 0, x minus 5 minus 3. This implies x equal to, this x and this x cancel each other, additive inverse, it looks like additive inverse, cancel each other, minus 8. So shifting one term from left hand side to right hand side, or right hand side to left hand side, we got the solution as minus 8. And instead of shifting, we tried out another way, we find the same solution. This implies that transposing terms from left hand side to right hand side, or right hand side to left hand side will not alter the solution of the equation. Now we will try to solve a few linear equations from Cbse books. Let's try it out. say for example this equation 2x divided by 3 plus 1 equal to 7x by 15 plus 3. Now let's try to solve this equation. So this equation contains fractional terms. So how will you eliminate these fractions? Let's find the LCM of 3 and 15. You know 3 and 15 LCM. 15 is completely divisible by 3, so we don't have to do division again. LCM is 15. So we'll try to multiply 15 both sides. We have already discussed one thing, that multiplying the same number on the both sides of the equation will not alter the solution. So we'll try to multiply 15 both sides. So this implies 2x plus 3 plus 1 multiplied by 15 equal to 7x plus divided by 15 plus 3 multiplied by 15. So 2x divided by 3 into 15 plus 15 on the 15. This we are applying distributive property. 15 into a into b plus c, a into b, a into c. Same thing here, 7x by 15 multiplied by 15, a into b plus c, a into b plus a into c, 15 multiplied by 3. Now this 3 and 15 cancel each other. 3 5s are 15, so we got it 10x plus 15 equal to 15 and 15 cancel each other. 15 1s are 15, 7x into 1 7x, 15 3s are 45. Now it becomes more simpler, right? Now we will transpose variable part to the left hand side and constants to the right hand side. So 10x minus 7x equal to 45 minus 15. We are transposing variable part to the left hand side and constant to the right hand side. This implies 10x minus 7x, 10 minus 7 3, 3x equal to 30. So what is x? 30 divided by 3 equal to 10. This is the answer, right? Let's try another example from Cbse book. 3m equal to 5m minus 8 by 5. So now we will shift the variable part to the left hand side, the term containing variable part to the left hand side. This implies 3m minus 5m equal to minus 8 by 5. Transposing the term containing variable to the left hand side. Now 3 minus 5 minus 2 equal to minus 8 by 5. Now we will try to eliminate this minus 2 from the left hand side. So what will you do? You divide this side by minus 2. 2m divided by minus 2. Since we are dividing left hand side by minus 2, same thing we will have to do on the right hand side. Minus 8 by 5 divided by minus 2. This minus 2 cancel each other, m equal to minus 8 by 5. Now when we write multiplication sign here, we will write the reciprocal, 1 by minus 2. Now this becomes minus 8 into 1 minus 8, 5 into minus 2 minus 10, minus minus cancel each other, 8 by 10. In lowest term we will try it out, 2 4 are 8, 2 5 are 10, answer is 4 by 5. This is the answer. We will discuss some more example in next class. Okay, bye bye.